Hello students, welcome. Uh, Today we are going to talk about a new topic and that is history. And later on we'll also be talking about the string arrays. So first let's see what is that string. String simply says that so when we collect many characters or may contain the digits and if it is terminated with a null character then that becomes a string. Like if you say that uh, environment, so it is a string. Like if we say computer, it is a string because it contains many characters. Kathmandu, so it is also a string. We can see here. Similarly, if we say if we say Delhi, so it is also a string because it contains how many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a string. Similarly, if we take United States of America, so it is also a string because it contains many characters. So string simply say that collect so put many characters together, and obviously all these things they are terminated by the null. Null means there is no more character after this, so that is called null character. All these things they are terminated by this one. And we can also say the string that array of characters. Array of characters where the last character is the null character. Strings are typically implemented using the character arrays. So when we in array, when we collect many characters, and then there becomes string. It's very simple there. We can also say string arrays. Or string is represented as an array of characters. Like suppose if we write like this, char name 100. So we can see here. So this name it is an array. What type? Character. So and it is going to store maximum 100 characters. So we can say that string is an array of characters terminated by the string. String arrays are commonly used to store multiple strings in C programming. It's very simple then. Now if we uh, use, and for string we have to use char data type, like char name equals to, mostly when we take the string constant, then we put inside the double quote, that is inverted comma, like USA. So this is a string constant. We can see here USA. We can also put the size here. Suppose if we put there 5. So now, how does computer store this value? Let's see that. So this is the memory block. So since it contains 5 values, so we have to put 5 cells, 1 2 3 4 5. Now it contains u, it contains s, it contains a, and at the last what happens, it contains null. Sometimes mostly computer puts itself in the case of string, and while writing programs, if the computer is not inserting that, then we have to put this character manually, otherwise we may get garbage value. So this is how we initialize the string, only one string. So we can say here just we have to put inside the double quote, and that's it. And this size, it is optional. If we don't give, it's okay. If we give, it's okay. So nothing will happen there, it will work there. So this is a way of initializing the string. So declaration, I just said that actually for the declaration nothing we have to do there. So it's a very simple way to declare the string. Just we have to put the char, then the name of variable and the size. And if we want to initialize some value, then we have to put equals to sign followed by the value. So this is how we initialize the value. It's very simple there. We can also give one by one, it's okay. Let's see practically. Let's save it. Let's run the program. So we got the output is China. Similarly, what would happen there if we don't put this one? So let's change the country name, France. We can see here. So size is optional. If we want to input, we can also input that. Suppose while inputting we have to give the size. Suppose this is 19. Let's enter the name of country. So guess country. Let's save it. let's give a name of country. Betty. What is the smallest country? I think that is in, or let's give Spain. Okay, so country is Spain. So this is how we run the program. I hope you understood this one. In next video we'll be talking about that multiple initialization of strings. So if you like the video, just subscribe. Okay, thank you.